Hello and welcome. This is the Gshock GD-350 and I'm going to show you how to change your daylight saving time mode on this watch. So let's get started. From the standard timekeeping mode, and that's the mode when the watch tells the time, press and hold the upper left button until you hear the beep. And there it is. Once there, press the mode button once, and we are in the position of shuffling our daylight saving time mode between on or off by pressing the start button. So it's the lower right button, and you shuffle your daylight saving time mode between on or off by pressing that button. Once you've set it, to implement the setting, simply press the adjust button once. We are back at the standard timekeeping mode and our daylight saving time mode has been changed. Thank you very much for watching, and if you are into watch related content, please subscribe. So thank you.